straight from the Fin store.
This is Penelope Banks. You can call me Penny. I'm here to share the latest and greatest toys that you can purchase from the Intrepid Credit Union Fin store. I hope you love savings just as much as me.
Hi, I'm Callen. I'm going to show you some toys you can get from the Fin store. This is an Alice toy. So here's the front. And now let's get on and open it. Let's open it from here. We got an Alice Minecraft toy. You can take part the head and then you can put it back on. And there was the Alex toy. And here's the back. And now let's get on to this. Cutetitos. A mulberry fur friend. And the front of it has two animals. And here's the back of it. I really wanted one. That's because I saw on YouTube and they were cool, so I really wanted one. It looks like you can get two furry best friends. Let's open it. We got this. A Bibolito. This is the ones you can't get. I like the golden this. This one looks cool and cute. But I do like this one. It smells like a donut. You can get this and that and this at the Fin store. Yay, yay, yay.
Straight from the Fin store.